ano ko, students ko. Diba, my loves?
Actually, in fairness, yes, you do make time for them.
Oo nga, diba? Yung mga ilang araw nandito, nagliligpit kayo.
Mm-mm.
Nagchichikahan kami. So, marami na akong mga students. Oh, yes po, teacher.
Students ng astrology.
Nang ano, cat circle. Di ba ikaw din?
Ah?
Ikaw lagi kang absent ha. Ikaw yung student ko na laging absent. Lagi kang absent tuwing may klase ako, hindi kita nakikita. Tama ba, class?
Hindi
Si Mr. Cadvida, palagi na lang absent tuwing may klase tayo.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna punish me?
Sira
May punishment, kuya.
ako ka mag-react, no? Kung may video lang ako, natatawa talaga ako sa'yo.
So what are you gonna do, teacher?
So, students, anong punishment ng inyong kaklase? May punishment ba siya? Punishment?
Have I been a bad student?
Bad student. Kasi every time na may class, wala ka. Ang
Oh.
dami mo nang na-miss na class. My God.
Oh no. Does this mean I'm gonna be punished, teacher?
Wow! Sinisimulan niya po ang level 2, guys. Face the teacher for 1 hour without
Face the-
blinking. Look at the teacher without blinking daw. The teacher